The Bose Soundbar 500 is a voice-enabled soundbar with powerful acoustics that fill the room. In this video, we'll help you unbox and set up your soundbar. Let's begin by carefully opening the box and confirm the following parts are included. Your Bose Soundbar 500. Your quick start guide and important safety information, an Adapt IQ headset, and an HDMI cable. You'll also find 2 AAA batteries, a power adapter, your remote, and lastly, a power cord. Now let's set up your soundbar. Begin by connecting the power cord to the AC power adapter. Connect the AC power adapter to the back of the soundbar. Plug the other end of the power cord into a power outlet. Your soundbar will automatically power on. To complete setup, you'll need to download the Bose Music app from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your soundbar to Wi-Fi, set up privacy settings, connect accessory speakers, and add any compatible voice assistants in your region. Your Bose Soundbar 500 is now set up. For additional help, visit our website